Hey, before you go ahead and quit on life, listen up. You are worth it. You are more than a conqueror, and you are more than able. You're more than capable. All you have to do is just don't quit. Just don't quit. Hold on just a little bit longer now. I promise you, you'll be impressed by what you can do. Hold on just a little bit longer. I promise you. Tomorrow is waiting for you. Tomorrow is waiting for you, but if you give up now, what's going to happen? Tomorrow is waiting for you. Don't quit. This is the time when you push yourself a little bit harder. I know sometimes you might feel down upon yourself. Sometimes you feel like you might not be able to push a little bit longer. But I promise you, hold on just a few more minutes, a few more seconds, and you'll be impressed by what you can do. Don't quit. Life is worth living, not dying, right? It's worth living. Let's live it. Have a great day, y'all. Stay blessed.